Hello, fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here with another exciting sneak peek video from Oraloa. So huge thank you to Oraloa for allowing me to do these sneak peeks. These are so much fun. I hope you guys enjoy them as much as I do. I actually really like Oraloa, and I'm now building up quite a little bit of a stash. And I have yet another adorable one that I can't wait to show you guys. So this one is also a square. It's also kind of big. So let me get it out of the box and I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. So here you can see I've got it out of the box. It is called Camilla by Emanuela Manello. It is 56.6 by 70 centimeters, so quite large, 22 by 27.5 inches. It is square diamonds, and look at this adorable little mermaid with the little clamshell and the pearls and everything. I wish I would have had this one for March, or I mean, it's coming out in May. It's the end though, but this would be a great one for Mermaid or Mermaids in Magic. That was in March, wasn't it? I think so. Or any kind of event coming up where mermaids would be good. So let me unbox or unroll the canvas here, and let's start looking at this lovely painting. It is quite large, so I don't think I would probably get to this year, especially given that I've already done 2 other mermaid canvases this year, but this one is so pretty. I love the kind of peaches and cream color palette of it. So let me just unroll it here and we can get into everything else. So we have our instructions here as usual. I don't need those. We have our drills. Look at those gorgeous peaches and pinks and corals and purples. Oh, can't wait. Okay, so those are the drills. These are my sticker sheets, but first let's look at our toolkit. What do we get in our toolkit here? We get, I think that's everything. So pretty standard toolkit. You get your little tray, you get some very pretty teal, oh, very pokey tweezers. I like the pokey ones, even though it's probably dangerous for me. You get a pin with a 3-placer and then what looks like a 9-placer. Extra tip, you get a purple scrunchie, some blue wax in the fancy little container, and then some Oraloa branded washi tape. Pretty standard for their toolkits, but a nice toolkit for those of you who need all of those extras. All right, and then we get our stickers here. So again, as you can see, it's 56.6 centimeters by 70 centimeters, so pretty large, 22.2 by 27.5 inches. So I will use this sticker for my logbook. And then we have 49 colors, and you can see that 4 of them are ABs. So 4 ABs in this kit. And then they are pre-cut stickers. They do peel off pretty well, surprisingly. So yeah, and just look at this adorable little mermaid. I love the little kind of lace on her shoulder and her forehead here. And she's got a little compact that looks like a clamshell and lipstick, and just the cute little fish and coral and her little kind of lacy fin on her tail here. I just thought this one was really pretty. Okay, let me go grab the canvas and I will be right back. And here is the canvas. Now it's so large I won't be able to get all of it on screen, but I'll get as much as I can. So here's the top of it. You can see we've got a schematic on both sides. We've got one on here and then down here. Oraloa symbols like Diamond Art Club, always nice and clear. I've never had an issue with any of their canvases. It is nice and sticky where it needs to be. And I will say they have a very nice thick cover sheet of plastic. It's a heavier plastic than you get from a lot of places to put on the canvas. All right, I'm gonna see if I can get her to lay flat, just a little bit flatter. I've got some air bubbles here where the cover sheet is not quite attached to the canvas, so I'm going to pull those off, pull the cover sheet off, make it lay a little bit flatter, and then we'll be right back to discuss the rest of the canvas. Okay, so we can see they said this one was 56.6 by 70, so let's see, 56.6, let's see what it is. It is 55.5 centimeters is what I'm getting. a little under 55.5, maybe a millimeter under. And that is not quite 22 inches. It's like 21 3/4. So that's that way. And then this way, it's supposed to be 70 or 27.5 inches. So let's measure it this way. So it's right at 27 inches, which is 68.5 centimeters. So not quite 70, but pretty close. All right, and you can just see when I put it sideways like this, you can see all of the very pretty pinks and purples of the little fish and all the background here. You've got the pretty kind of peach of her tail, her dark skin, and then this very pretty purple hair. Yeah, I'm really excited, and yeah, just really happy with this. And I can't wait to see how her skin is going to turn out, because I think it's going to be very pretty. Okay, so we've measured it. We've got 49 colors, like I said, and 4 of them are ABs. Let's first look at where the ABs are going to be. So we've got 5,200 ABs, which is white ABs. So of course, those are going to be in her eyes here. Some little highlights on her earring and her hair. Down here in the pearl, of course, and then in the kind of, it's a lace outline of her little tail fin here is all that AB. Then we've got a kind of blue looking AB. Let's see where that one goes. That one, oh, is in the little coral pieces down here at the bottom. Let's see if you can see those. So these little blue down here are going to have some ABs in it, so that'll be good. And then X symbol for a pink AB. Oh, that's going to be all through the clam here. Is it anywhere else? Down here in the clam, up there. So in the clam shell is going to have a lot of them. And then we've got 208 AB, which I'm going to guess is in her hair because it is a purple. There's some right here and some down here in the bottom. But then, is there any in her hair? I don't actually see any in her hair. Maybe oh, there's a few right here on the outside. Maybe I'll have to see if I have some other ABs that I want to add into her hair. I think that would be fun. So those are the ABs and where they go on the kit, but let's look at the drills. All right, look at all these drills. Oh, you guys. So of course, the first thing that catches my eye, how many bags of this color do I have? This is, I'm almost certain, the color for her. Oh, I was going to say the color for her tail, but it isn't. 19 is where? Oh, it's the clamshell in a lot of the background. So that's why we have 5 bags of this color. So 5 bags of this very pretty kind of pale peach. So that's all going to be in the background. That's cool. Not at all where I thought it was going to be. Okay. Then what else do we get? We get like a pretty kind of dusky rose, a light mauve. We get a very pretty pink, like a mulberry pink. We got another kind of blush pink. Oh, look at that. That's like a bubblegum purple. That's very pretty. Another kind of rose, a kind of pinky mauve. And then we've got another kind of deeper rose color and a pale pink. And then we've got 2 bags of this very, very pale pink. We've got a kind of purpley magenta, a brick red, and then we get 2 different shades of like salmon. This is like a dark salmon and then a brighter salmon color. I'm getting these all out of order, which is not like me, but a kind of very dusky pale pink, a pink, and then, oh, look at these purples. So here's a very kind of reddish purple. That's another kind of reddish mulberry. And then we get this very dark purple, a purple, and then a light purple. That one's got a bit of static in it, it looks like. And then we have, that is kind of a brownish purple. don't know if I've ever seen that color before. And then another kind of dusky rose, a bright pink, another bright peach color, a very dark peach, kind of an orangey peach, a very pale lavender, and then kind of a rose color. Oh, there's a gray, there's a purple, and then a dark purple, and a lighter purple, a pink, a peach color, and then we have another dark purple, and that one looks like it has a bit of static as well. We've got like a cornflower blue, like a periwinkle. We've got like a reddish mauve. Oh, there's a green stowaway in there. Another peach. Ooh, this is all the 310 in this kit, you guys. That's it. So I'm guessing eyebrows and eyes outline maybe. And another kind of mauve. And then the last color, not the last color, still got ABs, but the last regular color is this bright pink. There's all those colors. So then let's look at our ABs. So we get, of course, our white ABs, very pretty. We get those blue ABs that I was talking about that will go in the seaweed at the bottom. Those are gorgeous. We get these purple ABs that will go in her hair and then also down at the bottom. And then we get 2 big bags of this pink that's going to be on the clamshells and everything. So gorgeous pink. Now with 49 colors, so I've already got 5 ABs, but I do think that maybe I want to try and find some other purple ABs that I can put in her hair. And because this is going to be a background color, I may see if I've got some peaches or pinks that I can, peachy oranges that I can throw in the background as well, just to give it that little extra bling. It may be a while before I get to this one, so this may be one of these where I take the schematic and I go out and look at DP with sparklers and I see what I can get that's in this kit, what I have the most of, and maybe order some if I don't have them already in stock. I know I don't in stock, like I'm a store, if I don't have them on hand. I know that I probably don't have as many ABs because this is a square kit. I just have more ABs in rounds because I bought a bunch of them for Diana. I've not had a big project like that where I did it for a square kit. So yeah, that's something I think I will do. But I really love this kit. I think it's super cute. It's one of the cutest mermaids that I've ever seen. I love her flowing hair and all the pinks and peaches. Like I said, I just thought it was a really amazing color scheme, and her cute little face with the little lace filigree and everything. Super excited. I will stick a link down below to Oraloa's store. This is, like I said, a sneak peek. It is a new release, so it will be coming out tomorrow. So check out their website. They will have more than just this coming out. And I've been really impressed with their last 2 or 3 weeks of new releases. They've had some really cute kits. In fact, if I'm doing okay enough on my budget after this summer, I may head over there and stock up on a few of these. There you go, guys. Again, a huge thanks to Oraloa for allowing me to do these sneak peeks. I hope you enjoy them. If you do, please don't forget to do all the things before you leave. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. That helps me out a lot. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.